Hello, real estate enthusiast. I would like to explain a real estate chatbot that we have built for our company, GHL developer. One of our client came in and asked for a real estate chatbot. So instead of using AI option, we have used some manual option to create a chatbot, a basic chatbot that will just answer different questions, and based on these questions, it will basically give them a meeting link to book a meeting using our calendar. So let's get into it. Initially, I'll just explain you the flow of the real estate chatbot that our client wanted. So he initially came up with the request that first of all, whenever a message comes in GHL, he wanted to segment it into two different format or two different options. Like first segment would be if they are interested. So we have just used these phrases to determine if they are interested or not. If these phrases are involved, then that's mean they are not interested. And if these phrases are not involved, then most probably they are interested. Again, it's not a complete AI chatbot, or it is not similar to human, but will work for the basic workflow or basic chatbot if somebody wants to build. Okay, so there might be some other questions and answers that you can, other phrases you can mention here, and based on that you can just update it. And for now we have kept these things as our phrases to determine whether this person is interested or not. And if they are interested, then we will go to this question answer station, and based on these replies we will go to the next steps. But in case they are not interested, it will set the contact DND, and if it is none, then the client wanted to keep it as none, nothing required. But if they are interested, then it should go inside this work option, this segment, and it will send them first SMS, and it will wait for the reply for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes it will be timed out, and now it will see if they have replied in a positive way or negative way. So based on that it will go to the next step. So if they have said something negative, that I don't know their location, for example, in the first email, in the first SMS, they are saying, okay, I'm interested to learn more about the new homes, and then the first SMS is, okay, great, I just need you to answer a few questions so I can send you the right homes. Where is your preferred location? So if they don't know the preferred location, then what it will do, it will send them a meeting. Thanks for your valuable time. If you want to book an appointment, please click here. Because we don't we want our client wanted to have a call with them, and if they don't know what is their location, it will take them to the meeting directly. But if they do know what their location is, then it will go to the next step, like how many bedrooms, bathrooms, and all. Okay, so this is just the flow. So if anything, any negative message comes in, that's means they don't know something, then it will directly take them through this SMS, which means it will ask them to book a meeting with them. Okay, so this is just the basic understanding of the flow, how it works. Rest of the steps works the same, and now I will show you how it actually works in the real life scenario. Okay, so now let's type in, hi, I'm interested to learn more about new homes. Now if someone sends the SMS to this, okay, now there should be a another SMS comes in. Okay, what are preferred location? So if we mention my preferred location, then it will take me to the next step. Okay, and it will ask me that how many bedrooms and bathrooms, 2, 3. Just answering some questions just to get the other answers. And now it will reply, great, what's your budget? If I mention 500 to 600k, now it will ask for if you are pre-approved or not. Alright, okay, it will ask, are you a first time home buyer or do you need to sell home first? I'll mention sell home first. And as you can see, I had mentioned not sure, I'm not sure about if I'm pre-approved or I have to seek approval, so I'm not sure. So that's why, okay, thanks for giving your valuable time. If you want to book an appointment, please click here. So if I had mentioned, okay, I am willing to seek approval, then it would have sent me another message like, another real estate related message. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is how our real estate chatbot is currently working. So if you are running any real estate marketing agency, or you are yourself a real estate agent, then I think this chatbot would be helpful for you to qualify your leads, whoever comes in from Facebook ads and all other stuff. So before booking a meeting with them, if they answer all these questions, and uh, if they are interested, really truly interested, then it will be easier for you to pre-qualify them and eventually book a meeting with qualified leads only, instead of letting everyone book a call with you. It just doesn't make any sense. In case if they are not interested, they have just signed up for fun or any something else, then it should not be spending time on those people. Okay, so there are lead nurture sequences and all, which in my next video I'll be explaining some really cool real estate lead nurture sequences which you can use right now. And if you want, we can also help you set this up. But yeah, for now, if you have any questions regarding this, how we have set up this chatbot, manual chatbot, then please let me know in the comment section, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for your time, and have a nice day, guys, and see you soon in the next video.